Number porting allows you to keep your Mint Mobile number when switching to T-Mobile. Since Mint operates on T-Mobile's network, this is an intra-network transfer, making it generally faster. To start, ensure your Mint Mobile account is active and in good standing. You'll need your Mint Mobile account number and PIN. Simultaneously, sign up for a T-Mobile plan to get your new T-Mobile account number. Remember, the FCC mandates carriers to facilitate porting, aiming for completion within 1 business day for wireless numbers. The number transfer process ensures seamless routing of your number. Begin by contacting T-Mobile support through their app, chat, or by phone. Provide your Mint Mobile phone number, account PIN, and the new T-Mobile account number. T-Mobile will handle the number transfer process request. Once complete, receive a confirmation SMS and activate your T-Mobile SIM or eSIM. Test calls, texts, and data to confirm everything works. Mint account cancels automatically. Porting is free, but verify charges. T-Mobile offers AI tools and eSIM support for digital activation.